I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where I'm working with you step by step through the ABRSM Theory Grades. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets which you can download in US letter or A4, and they accompany each step of this series. You'll find a page there with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can also find out about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best be prepared for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time come exam day. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe to my channel and please do share out the videos. And now we're going to carry on with the final questions of Grade 4 2019 Paper B. So if you turn with me to page 15, we can make a start on this. I always like these final questions. I feel like this is the downhill bit home at the end of the exam. And if you just get your prep work done, all of the thinking's done for you here. We're told that we're in the key of D major and we're looking for chords 1, 4 and 5. So if we just plan out what we're going to be looking for, all the thinking's done. So in D major, D is the tonic. So the fourth degree of the scale, the subdominant, D, E, F, G, and fifth is A. Now we want the first, the third and the fifth. So D, F, A. If you find that difficult, just sort of sketch out a piano keyboard. 1, 3, 5, G, B, D, A, C, E, and we can be doubly sure we've gone wrong nowhere because here's the fifth, first, third, fifth, which gives us the root note for chord 5. A bit of a double check there. So that's the thinking done. So now we've just got to see which chord fits. So we have a D, an A, a D and an F. That's chord 1. And then we have an A, a C, an E and an A. That's chord 5. And then here we have a G, D, G, B. That's chord 4. So that's 6 nice easy marks. And now here it's the same thinking. We've just got to kind of extrapolate the thinking a bit further, a bit more work to do, but again, do your prep work first and all the hard work is done. Now we first of all need to name the key and then we can describe whether it's chords 1, 4 or 5. The thing is here we have an option. It could be major or it could be minor. So if we just plan out what the options are, so if you've done your circle of fifths, you've already got your keys to hand. If you've got a good grasp on your keys, you might not feel you need that, but it's good to just get everything written down, and that way you're not going to be rethinking that information. You're going to be saving time because it's all thought out once and you just refer back to it. So you've got all your major and minor keys. If you're not sure how to do that, look at my video, The Circle of Fifths. You'll find the link in the card and the description box. And so we know that 5 flats, it could be D flat major, or it could be B flat minor. So let's just write out the options. Chords 1, 4 and 5. 1, 4 and 5. So in D flat major, I won't bother with all the flats because your key signature does that. 1, D, A, B, D, E, F, G, and then A. So first, third, fifth, G, B, D, A, C, E. And so in B flat minor, chord 1, B, C, D, E, F, B, D, F, E, G, B, F, A, C. Now then, your key signature will deal with everything apart from the raised 7th. And so in the key of B flat minor, the 7th is A flat, and so that becomes a natural. So if ever you see a natural sign, that's always a clue. It's chord 5 in your minor key. However, so we have here an E, as our tonic, and so it can't be anything to do with D flat major. It has to be chord 4 in B flat minor. Chord 4, it has to be that one, none of the others will fit. E, G, B. Of course, flats. So now then we have a key signature of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sharp. So it could be B major, or it could be G sharp minor. Now you keep sketching this out, and then you might find you've answered your question before you've even got to the end of your prep work, as it were. So here our note is 1 below C, which is a B, and so I think really before we go further we can see it's going to be a chord 1 in B major, B, D, F, so you perhaps don't need to do all of the rest. However, by all means, if you want to write out all of your chords, then do so, but we've answered that question straight away. So we're in B major, and it's the tonic chord 1. Now here, again, by all means you could write out all of your major and minor keys just as we've done here. However, here we have a massive big clue, the fact that as an accidental, the raised 7th always falls as the middle note of chord 5. So before I even check anything out, I know that I'm in C minor and it's chord 5. But just to sort of follow through, it has to be the minor. There's no other way of explaining that natural sign. So I'm going to do 1, 4 and 5. So C minor or E flat major, but we know it's C minor. So C is the tonic, F is the subdominant, G is the dominant. C, E, G, F, A, C, G, B, D. In C minor, the 7th is B, which is raised from B flat to B natural. And there is our raised 7th, which always falls in the middle of chord 5. So you could just get that without even doing all of this prep work if you felt confident enough to do that. So C minor, chord 5. And there we go. That's that question completed. And that's that paper completed. I do hope this is helpful to your studies. These past revision exercises through past practice papers are a great resource. Do make the most of them. I hope that you're enjoying getting to grips with your studies. I'm certainly enjoying working through it with you. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe to my channel to keep updated, and please do share out the videos. And also please do visit sharonbill.com and make use of all of the resource and information that's available there to help you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.